International Gemological Institute Limited launched its 4,225 crore rupees IPO on 13 December 2024. The price band is set at 397 rupees to 417 rupees per share, with the issue closing on 17 December. The company, backed by Blackstone, is a leading provider of certification services for diamonds and jewelry. The Reserve Bank of India announced early redemptions for 30 series of sovereign gold bonds maturing between 1st October 2024 and 31st March 2025. This allows investors an early withdrawal option for bonds that have completed 5 years. Financial planners advise holding these bonds until maturity due to their benefits. Camps India's IPO opened for subscription on 10 December 2024, aiming to raise 29.42 crore rupees. The SME offering, priced at rupees 68 to 72 per share, saw a strong grey market premium of 104.17% on the opening day. Marketing consulting company Toss the Coin launched its 9.17 crore rupees SME IPO on 10 December 2024. The issue, priced at rupees 172 to 182 per share, commanded a grey market premium of 109.89% ahead of its opening. India's private sector output growth strengthened to its highest in 4 months during December, according to the latest HSBC Flash PMI data. The acceleration was reflected in both the manufacturing and service sectors, with companies welcoming a faster upturn in new business intakes. Hershey's majority owner turned down Mondelez takeover bid, considering it too low. This marks another failed attempt by Mondelez to acquire the chocolate maker, following a rejected $23 billion bid in 2016. Japan's Nippon Life announced plans to acquire US insurer Resolution Life in an $8.2 billion deal, marking the largest overseas acquisition by a Japanese insurer to date. The US Supreme Court opened the door for a shareholder suit against Nvidia, dealing a blow to the tech giant. This is the second securities fraud case the justices have scrapped in a term that is only 2 months old. China's November exports slowed to 6.7% growth, while imports declined by 3.9%, missing forecasts. This trade weakness comes as Beijing seeks to bolster its economy post-pandemic, with a rising trade surplus reaching $97.4 billion. Boeing restarted 737 MAX production last week after a 7-week strike, aiming to fulfill approximately 4,200 pending orders. However, production is currently capped at 38 planes monthly due to prior safety issues. KPMG's Global Economic Outlook projects global growth to accelerate to 3.2% in 2025, with inflation expected to continue cooling until mid-2025. However, geopolitical risks and potential trade wars could impact this forecast. UPI hit a record 15,547 crore transactions worth 223 lakh rupees crore by November 2024, marking a major milestone in India's digital payment ecosystem. This surge in UPI transactions reflects the growing adoption of digital payments across the country. Sanjay Malhotra, the current Revenue Secretary, has been appointed as the next Reserve Bank of India Governor. This key appointment comes at a crucial time for India's economy, facing challenges like inflation and global economic uncertainties. Malhotra's tenure will be closely watched for its impact on monetary policy and economic stability. DIIs bought shares worth 10,430 crore rupees and sold shares worth 12,078 crore rupees during a recent trading session. This high volume of transactions indicates active portfolio management by institutional investors. The net selling position could suggest a cautious approach or profit-taking by DIIs in current market conditions. Analysts suggest a potential Trump presidency in 2025 could lead to fewer global conflicts and more stable oil prices. His focus on negotiation might resolve the Russia-Ukraine war, and closer ties with Gulf states could stabilize the region. This could have significant implications for global geopolitics and energy markets. Chinese military aircraft and vessels have been reported crossing the Taiwan Strait by Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense. This follows Taiwanese President Lee Ching-te's visit to Pacific Islands with stops in US-controlled territories. Beijing has reaffirmed its stance on Taiwan's status, escalating regional tensions. Two Russian oil tankers, Volganeft 212 and Volganeft 239, were severely damaged in a Black Sea storm near the Kerch Strait, causing a major oil spill. The Volganeft 212 sunk after breaking in half with 4,300 tons of fuel oil, while the Volganeft 239 ran aground. Rescue and cleanup operations are underway, as environmental groups warn of severe ecological impacts.